आप कितना पुराना कंपनी है?
हमारी कंपनी सर,
हाँ।
हमारी कंपनी को सर 1 ईयर हो गए हैं।
हाँ, लेकिन आपका ये वेबसाइट 1 हफ्ता पुराना है, नया-नया रजिस्टर किया है, कैसे 2020 में हो गया आपका प्रमोशन?
So in this particular video, I am going to expose an Indian scammers who is running fake website, e-commerce website to scam people. In this video, I will talk about in details how they are running this and how you can save yourself from this kind of websites, and I will also expose the website of that fake link and as well as the scammer's mobile number in this video. So let's get started. So let's start from the first what happened. So I received a call from unknown number. So I picked up that call. Then one lady was there. That lady demanded that one lucky draw is going on because of their newly e-commerce site promotion, and I am the luckiest one among the 15 people. So to get the prizes like iPhone, KTM bike or many very costly things, that will be price. So to get the prize you have to give a registration fee of 649 rupees. As soon as she told me that 649 rupees of registration fee, I was clear it is a scam, but still I continue talking with them to expose their full plan, how they are doing and what kind of claim they will create when they are talking. So first of all, they say that you have to do a registration fee. If any kind of prize winner telling you that you have to pay some little amount of registration fee to claim the gift, that is the main problem. There is the main problem. This is the first hint that it is a scam. She has also sent an SMS from that number. So in that number they have also sent me a link to open it. So I opened the link in my browser with the help of VPN. Remember, whenever this kind of thing happening, always use a VPN service because they are the website administrator, so they will know from where you are accessing the site in help of IP address. And here you can see how the site is looks like basically. So it's kind of a very much basic WordPress site built on WooCommerce for the e-commerce purpose. So here you will see the mixture of every type of content. You will get footwear, you will get clothes, you will get electronic devices, and you will get also appliances, mobile power banks, everything you are going to get here. That is the first sign of the fake website, because right now under this situation no company will try to open or take a risk to open a big e-commerce site. Rather than they will focus a particular segment, particular target audience for opening a new e-commerce business. So that is second hint. Number 3, when they are claiming 649 rupees, say how they are saying you how to pay, and they are going to ask you to pay online.
हमारी कंपनी प्रमोशन कर रही है आपके किसी स्टेट में, उस भी यहाँ पे आपका नेम और नंबर शॉर्ट लिस्ट हुआ है ना।
जैसे भी आप ऑनलाइन एक्टिविटीज करते हो ना, जो भी लाइक आप कोई भी आप Amazon, फ्लिपकार्ट या कहीं से भी आप कोई परचेजिंग या शॉपिंग करते हो, ठीक है, या फिर कोई भी आप ऑनलाइन एक्टिविटीज करते हो, तो उसके बेस पे क्या होता है सर कि आपका जो डिटेल होता है ना सर, वो ई कॉमर्स में सेफ एंड सिक्योर होता है सर, जो कि एक तरीके से सेव होता है सर, ठीक है। तो उस टाइम के हिसाब से सर प्रमोशन एक्टिविटी में जो आप अपना लेन देन करते हो ना, उस बेस पे आपका कॉन्टेक्ट में नंबर सेलेक्ट हुआ है सर।
So you have listened the audio that the lady was saying to pay me the 649 rupees and buy the fast track watch, and I said where is registration. Then again she trying to say me that this is the registration, in the way if you buy it will be registration. It is basically a checkout payment to pay me, and it may be they will send me the counter, they will send me the duplicate or used product of this particular fast track watch, because the real price is around 649 or 700 in Flipkart. I have checked also. So anyway, then I went to the straight point. What is your GST number? It is not showing anywhere. What is your GST number?
ट्रस्ट करने वाला कुछ है ही नहीं, आपका GST नंबर भी नहीं है
सर। तो GST नंबर आप मुझे बताना फ्लिपकार्ट में कहाँ पे शो होता है?
फ्लिपकार्ट का जीएसटी सीन नंबर CIN नंबर जो 10 नंबर होता है वो उसका वेबसाइट पे शो होता है। अगर नहीं भी शो होता है तो उसका नंबर अगर जो जीएसटी रजिस्टर में डालने के बाद सब कुछ शो हो जाता है।
As soon as I asked to that lady for the GST number, because any e-commerce site right now in India should have to a GST number. So then what happened? They transferred the call to a senior or supervisor or whatever. Big scammer maybe. Anyway, then one man picked up the call and again trying to say me what is your problem. Then I again repeated the same thing. What is your GST number? Why the GST number is not there? And then again tried to manipulate me that GST number is not showing. If you pay after payment, you will see the GST number. Another third hint of here, if this kind of seller is very genuine, then one thing will happen. They will, if you ask GST number, they will say, okay, here you can see right now my GST number. They will share to you because they are clear, because there is no problem of cheating anything. So he is transparent, so he should share the GST number with me, because it is a business identity. You cannot hide it. So every bill, every invoice GST number is there. So next move on, they did not share me the GST number. And fourth hint, I have also searched the website name. Here you can see something Flip World or something. So I have written the website name in the description and as well as in the bottom right now in the screen. So that is the website. So Flip World or something. Anyway, this kind of website name every day change. So don't think that every time scam will happen with this website. So website is not factor. I am saying the hint or some signal from where you can get that this is a fake. Number 4, you just search that company name or website name in Google search. If the search is coming, check the review. If the result or search result is not coming, then again it is a problem. If the review is coming, you will get the review that this is a fake. But as I said, this is a new type of scamming, so you will not get right away any reviews. So again, search result is also there, not there. So another thing is that lots of social media websites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, anything is not also present particular this e-commerce site. So that is another hint. Anyway, I again asked the supervisor from where collected my mobile number and even name. They are saying the exact my name over the call. Supervisor said, no, you have purchased previous from other e-commerce sites. So the e-commerce site shared the number in between. I said, from where you got my number? Never said, because I don't know where he got the number. Maybe it is a possible that randomly typed my number in any kind of UPI apps like PhonePe, Google Pay, and there the verified name was showing there. Another thing will be there, maybe Paytm or some other third-party e-commerce site where I have purchased. There the number was printed in the box. From the box, maybe the name and number was collected, maybe or may not be. But the thing is that on that particular mobile number I have not purchased for a long time. But the number is shared between lots of job portals like Naukri or some other area. Maybe some scammers already roaming around this kind of Naukri, Monster, any kind of job portal. They're collecting mobile number and name from the resume and they're doing their scam in this way. So this is a new type, because a particular that mobile number is, I have not purchased any e-commerce around 1 year. So how they got it? Because recently I shared that particular number through the job portals. Maybe they have collected from there. Next, very surprising and very entertaining thing happened. When I was talking to the senior, he was said that I asked that how old your website is or how old you are doing this e-commerce business. Said 1 year. Then again he said that in last year Diwali, means 2020, this kind of promotion was also happened in other state in India, maybe Rajasthan.
के अलावा और कुछ जानना चाह रहे हैं?
हाँ, आपने बोला 1 साल पुराना कंपनी है।
क्या भी सर?
आपने 1 साल पुराना बोला ना ये वेबसाइट आप लोग।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
तो 1 साल में आप लोग कितना डिलीवरी किया है?
क्या डिलीवर्ड?
मतलब कितना सक्सेसफुल कस्टमर है आपका?
मैं बता देता हूँ। हमारा जो फर्स्ट प्रमोशन हुआ था सर, वो राजस्थान में हुआ था, ठीक है। बट आपको पता होगा कि अभी कुछ टाइम पहले लॉकडाउन पीरियड था,
हाँ।
तो जिसकी वजह से कुछ टाइम के लिए सर ई कॉमर्स में थोड़े टाइम तक चालू था सर्विस, उसके बाद हमारा क्लोज ही था एक तरीके से। वर्क फ्रॉम होम था।
राजस्थान में प्रमोशन जो किया था तो इसी साल या पिछले वाले साल?
नहीं नहीं सर, इस साल नहीं हुआ था, वो पिछले साल हुआ था सर, दिवाली के टाइम पे।
अच्छा, इसी फ्लिपमार्ट वर्ल्ड साइट पे हुआ था प्रमोशन?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, फ्लिपमार्ट वर्ल्ड का ही हुआ था सर,
2020 का दिवाली पे?
हाँ जी।
हाँ, लेकिन आपका ये वेबसाइट एक हफ्ता पुराना है, नया नया रजिस्टर किया है, कैसे 2020 में हो गया आपका प्रमोशन?
सर डोमेन जो होता है ना सर, जो भी डोमेन वगैरह है, डोमेन नेम चेंज था, ठीक है, बाकी जो वेबसाइट है सर सेम है।
Domain is only 7 days old, a very new domain. So that is another hint number 5. That search the domain when it was registered, how old the domain is, and domain spam score, whatever you checked online. So I have checked and again said that you are saying that last year you have did the same thing, but your website is saying that you are only 7 days old website. How is it possible? But they were giving you the price, that price or lottery will not be given. So if they send the duplicate product, maybe 100 or 200 rupees price will be there, and they are selling it here 649 rupees. So clear cut they are earning around 400 rupees per order. So if they do it around 5, if they scam only 5 people per day, then they will be around 50 to 60,000 per month very easily by scamming just 4 people per day with the help of a small website, WordPress website, and just recharging with around 1 month plan 200 or 300 rupees unlimited pack. They're doing this. So low investment, high return. This is called scamming business right now in India. So this kind of scamming business is right now in India in boom, but this is a new scam, and this scam will rise very soon, because in October, within 2 months, the big great Indian sale or big billion day is coming. So within that sale, this will be an high. So they are just targeting that particular those 4 or 5 days, because if they still there, they are going to earn lot of money. Anyway, this trick is not new, because in previous we have already seen that this kind of fake product selling e-commerce website was promoted via Google ads and as well as YouTube ads. So there is lots of different ways this kind of scammer will reach to you, either phone, either SMS, either paid ads in Facebook or Google. So you have to save yourself. I am not talking about that only buy from Flipkart or Amazon. No, you can buy from any new website, e-commerce website in India or anywhere in the world. But the problem is, before buy, just check their reviews and previous history. And if the site is new, ask the registration in GST number, or where their storeroom or warehouse is located, from where they are running the business, what is their address. Just check it out and find those details before placing any order. This is the only solution. This is the only prevention you can take to save yourself from this kind of scammers. So just share this video with everyone, because this is a new style of scamming. Your family or your friend may be scammed in this way. So to save themselves and yourself, like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and comment if you have already been scammed, or if you have already seen this kind of scam or any different type of scam. Share with me in the comment section. This is open for you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I am going to meet with you in my next video with another episode. Till then, goodbye, take care and be safe.